Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little different than what we normally do. This video is brought to you by HelloFresh. So if you're not really familiar with HelloFresh, they actually provide meal kits for you, which is delivered directly to your door. It is family friendly and they provide a bunch of different type of meal options, such as light calories, if you want something with heavy calories, heavy protein. They also offer all kind of pescatarian, vegetarian, all kind of different options. So you have a variety of different things to choose from. And they actually add 22 new items every single week. So make sure that you use my code as well. You'll get 10 free meals if you use my code, which is IAMLONNI10. So, and I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. But we're gonna go ahead and get started and jump right into the video. Some of us are so used to technology. I was actually able to find the recipe online. Now they do send you cards with the written out recipe, but I decided to find it online, which is so awesome. And you can actually search for any recipe that you need just by visiting their website. Just put in HelloFresh recipes and it definitely will come up. Since we went ahead and cleaned our chicken, we're gonna go ahead and boil our kush kush. So I went ahead and I cut up the lemon, I cut up the green onions, and I opened the rest of the ingredients. So right here, as you can see, I went ahead and pat dry our chicken. So just put it on a napkin to make sure that it's dry. And for our green beans, I went ahead and put our green beans on our pan, and it's gonna cook right along with the chicken, which is actually great and makes it a lot easier to clean up because you're pretty much using the same pan. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our panko, paprika in the bowl as well. Our Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna add a little salt, a little pepper. And then we're gonna take our olive oil and we're gonna drizzle a good large amount of olive oil. We're gonna drizzle a good amount of olive oil to our mixture. Now we're gonna take our spoon and we're gonna mix it up. Chicken is on a clean napkin. We're gonna go ahead and season it on here. We're gonna take just a little salt and we're just gonna kind of put it over the chicken. But we're gonna take the salt and put it on top of the chicken. So we're gonna season it again. You gotta do both sides. Then we add a little pepper to it. Then we add a little pepper. Okay. All right, so our chicken looks good and seasoned. So they did give us a sour cream, and I love sour cream. My husband doesn't really like sour cream, so I'm not gonna put it on his, but I am gonna spread it on my chicken breast. And so since this chicken breast is bigger, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it on the smaller one, because I normally try to eat smaller portions. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move the chicken onto our pan, because now we're gonna go ahead and start adding the crust and stuff. So now we're gonna take our mixture, hands are clean, and we're gonna go ahead and just add it to our chicken. So we did the top layer. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Remember, our oven temperature is 425, and it's gonna go in the oven for about 16 minutes. All right, so we went ahead and drained our kush. So it looks pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add our green onions to it and our roasted garlic herbs. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, so now our butter is added in our kush. So we're gonna take our green onions, we're gonna add it in there. Okay, and then now we're just gonna stir it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the stove for about 2 minutes. So let it shimmer, let all the ingredients kind of mix in together. So I'll be right back. Thank you girls for watching my very first cooking video with HelloFresh. I really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. This was something so different. I'm gonna have to do it again. But make sure that you use my code Lonnie10 to make sure that you get 10 free meals with your next purchase. And then save the hassle of going to the grocery store with all this crazy stuff going on now. You can have your meals delivered directly to your door. So thank you again for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And like always, I love you. See you next time. Bye.